Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Connolly, one of the pediatricians here at Bundu. Today I'd like to discuss the benefits of a cool mist humidifier, and here are two examples of a cool mist humidifier. Humidifiers have been around for ages and can be a great asset in a nursery or child's room. There are several types of humidifiers, including warm mist and cool mist. I recommend cool mist, as they are safer to use around babies and small children. Warm mist humidifiers require boiling water and have been associated with burns, and so I recommend you stay away from them. Newborns are obligate nasal breathers. They prefer to breathe through their noses and not their mouths. As a result, it's important that their nasal passages are open and comfortable. Cool mist humidifiers add moisture to the air, which is useful in dry climates, particularly in winter. Adding moisture to the air also helps with breastfeeding, bottle feeding, and newborn sleeping. In addition, infants have dry skin and can be particularly dry in winter and in dry climates. Adding moisture to the air helps protect babies' sensitive skin. As children age, cool mist humidifiers are used for colds and flus, sinus congestion, dry coughs, croup, and can be useful for adults too. If you are going to be using a cool mist humidifier, it is important that you clean it correctly. First, turn the unit off and make sure you unplug it before you clean it. Each and every day, it is important that you empty both the top and the base and refill it with distilled water. Emptying it once a day prevents the growth of mold and bacteria that can happen with stagnant water. Once a week, you want to clean it more thoroughly. Have the humidifier, a towel, a tablespoon measurer, some water, white vinegar, and a bowl handy when you're trying to do this process. Disassemble and completely empty the humidifier. Pour any remaining water out. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to a half a liter of water. Add the entire solution into the top of the cool mist humidifier. Replace the cap, give it just a little shake, and then let it sit for 20 minutes. While you're doing that, mix the same solution, a half a liter of water, with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and pour it into the base. Allow that to sit for 20 minutes as well. After time has passed, empty the top completely and then rinse it with fresh water as many times as necessary to remove the vinegar smell. Repeat the same process with the base, emptying it and then rinsing it with fresh water to remove the vinegar smell. Then replace the water in the unit with distilled water. When you're done for the season, it is important to disassemble the cool mist humidifier, allow it to dry completely before storing it in a cool, dry place away from children. A good cool mist humidifier will last years and is a useful tool to have in your home.